Welcome to this new video where we're shooting a music video for an artist called Hillary. In this last episode, we are shooting the big dance scene. How can we create both an interesting and consistent lighting when there is so much movement in the scene? Welcome on set for this music video shoot. This is part 3 out of 3 videos where we are shooting a music video with Godox lights. The dance floor already had some practical lights to it because it's a dance floor, so we used that a little bit as the surroundings, but our lights from Godox was the main lights, of course, to just give it the look we wanted. The cinematographer Leander wanted a lot of different light sources to create depth in the shot, and as the dancers are going to move across the whole floor, it was important to light up the different sections without making it too flat. So we're going to use a lot of lamps. So all this combined is going to be really awesome, so stay tuned. First off, the main star of the show, the KNOWLED F400R. Most of the dancing was going to happen at the end of the dance floor, and here Leander wanted a soft, nice light from above. The ceiling in the dance floor is not too high, so to avoid seeing the lamps in the shot, it's very nice you can hide them just below the ceiling. But to have a really soft light from above in a low ceiling, of course the 400 is a good choice. So you can see, just pushed it all the way up to the ceiling. Looking good so far. The KNOWLED F400R is a full-color, flexible LED matte. They come in 5 different sizes, and this one has a power output of 400 watts. It is very lightweight and therefore easy to mount anywhere. This panel was also used in the bathroom scene, where we had even less space. We also used it as a key light for the bar scene and the intro scene, which you can see in the 2 previous episodes. So back to our dance scene. Here is how it looks with just the F400R turned on. And already we're getting something interesting. But we want some more lights. Here you can see a floor plan of where all the lights will be. The other lights we'll be using are the TP4R tubes, the P1200R Hard Pro, P600BI, and MG2400R with light flow mirrors. To make an interesting background, we put the P1200R behind this black curtain, and then we cut some holes into the fabric so the light could shine through using some haze. On the right side of the dance floor, we could hide several light flow mirrors. By doing this, we could shine the MG2400R into the mirrors to create some nice sun streaks from the side, creating more depth. Here you can see how the light streak makes the shot more interesting. Then we added a P600BI shining through the big diffuser to get a soft, warm lift from the side. Here you can see the before and after. And we hang some TP4R tubes in the ceiling to make sure we had enough light on the talent while they moved through the room. Having the talent move in and out of lights makes the whole scene more dynamic. We now have 4 tubes, 1 400 in the ceiling. You can get the full control. It's a very good way to make sure we have enough light from the ceiling by using these lights. Here you see all the lights in action. And last but not least, we use the KNOWLED app to control and animate all the lights. For the camera, we're using the Ronin 4D with Hypoc Chimera C lenses. This is a perfect setup to give us smooth movements, and the lenses are lightweight and has a nice character to them. Now, time to shoot.
Er du klar?
And here is the final result of this scene.
Just take control. Just take control. Just take control.
We hope you like this little series and learned something new. Check out the previous episode if you haven't seen it. Thanks for watching.
I tried